Are you sure?
Hey, don't laugh at me, shit.
Hey, it's easy. Just go and get rid of it.
It's not that easy. You don't know my family. They're fucking stupid.
We don't have to tell them. I'll come with you to the hospital. Just make sure nobody notices.
I'm scared. You don't know my brothers. If they find out, they're gonna kill me.
They won't find out. Just be careful. Don't tell anyone. That's not what I want to say. When we were in the hospital, one of the girl's relatives saw us. She's got a very strict family. After that day, I've been trying to call her and her phone is dead and I'm quite worried.
I told you, don't play with fire.
Hey, you know I like the fire. It makes me warm.
But sometimes it can burn you. You drank black wine.
What?
You drank black wine. You thought it was red wine, but it wasn't.
I've gotta go.
Are you still dancing?
Of course. Dance is just the white wine. The more you drink, the more you want. See ya.
Federico, have you ever seen a bird dance?
No.
A bird dance is full of pain and decapitation. So be careful. I don't want to see you dancing like a bird.
I will marry your sister.
We don't think you will.
No, I mean it. I love your sister. I would do anything for her.
Okay, if you really mean it, you should come and tell her in front of our family.
Okay, I will.
First, you should talk to her and then ask for her hand in marriage.
I promise to do anything you say.
She's waiting in the park. Now go wash your fucking face and calm down.
Hey, where is she?
She's hiding somewhere safe
Why?
because of our father. चलो इन्हें नहीं छड़ना नहीं छड़ना एक बहुत आगे
No! No! Hey! Hold on!
You fucking thought you could make my sister pregnant and get away with it, didn't you? Well, you fucking can't, you fucking son of a fucking bitch, okay? You dishonored us. Do you know what you did? You don't know what you fucking did. We can't show our face in our fucking community because of you, you fucking bastard, you fucking scumbag. You thought you could make her pregnant and nothing would happen to you, didn't you? Well, you thought wrong, you fucking bastard. You really thought wrong this time, okay? कुत्ते दी नस्ल तू मर गया आज तू आज जीना नहीं तू आज कल तुझे तो देखना ही नहीं
Yes.